Okay, I have did my gift bag. I folded it up. I've turned it inside out. I have placed me, turned it under. I I serged this part together. I serged the bag together all the way around. I left an opening at the top. I did it like this. I cut the top off of it. I serged this part. So now I am going to run this through here, and then that's going to make my gift bag, my large gift bag. This is the top of it. This is how it looks. And this is, I sewed it. You have to sew with the regular sewing machine around here. And then I'm going to put this string through there. I'm going to run it through. And if you don't know how to do that, there's videos that you can find on YouTube to run the string through. Thank you.